Imagine a world where the prehistoric terror of Megalodon still stalks our oceans, a giant so massive and mysterious that its very name sparks nightmares. Could a real-life Megalodon exist today? In this video, we'll dive deep into the science, the legends, and the mystery surrounding this ancient predator. Stay tuned, because what we uncover might just change the way you see the ocean forever. First, let's talk about what Megalodon actually is. This gigantic shark ruled the seas millions of years ago. With teeth as big as a human hand and jaws powerful enough to crush almost anything, Megalodon was the apex predator of its time. Its enormous size and fearsome reputation have given rise to countless stories, fueling our imagination for generations. Friends, explore everything about the real Megalodon in Monsters of the Abyss. This ebook uncovers fossil secrets, terrifying facts, and true possibilities, the kind of rare info that will make others turn to you for answers about the deep. By the way, how do we know about Megalodon? The answer lies in fossils, especially its gigantic teeth. Fossils are like nature's time capsules. They give us a glimpse into a world where massive sharks dominated the oceans. Scientists study these fossils to learn about Megalodon's size, diet, and behavior. Despite the impressive evidence, these remains also remind us that Megalodon went extinct over 3 million years ago. Now, let's bring our focus to today's oceans. Modern seas are very different from those of the past. The environment has changed, from water temperature to the availability of prey. Today's oceans are home to many large sharks, like the great white, but none come close to the size of Megalodon. These changes make it hard for a creature like Megalodon to survive today. This brings us to the burning question: could a real-life Megalodon still be hiding in our oceans? Before its answer, if you love exploring ancient creatures and modern mysteries, subscribe and dive deeper with us each week. By the way, many of us have heard stories or seen movies that hint at mysterious giant sharks lurking in the deep. However, the scientific community remains skeptical. Modern technology, from sonar mapping to deep-sea exploration, has yet to uncover any credible evidence of such a colossal creature roaming our waters. One big reason is size. Megalodon wasn't just large, it was enormous. For a creature that big to survive, it would need a huge amount of food and a vast habitat. Today's oceans simply can't support such a massive predator without leaving clear signs of its existence. While a real-life Megalodon may be unlikely, its legacy lives on in today's apex predators. Sharks like the great white, tiger shark, and bull shark are formidable in their own right. They share many features with Megalodon: sharp teeth, powerful bodies, and impressive hunting strategies. These sharks are the true rulers of the modern ocean, adapted perfectly to their environments. These modern giants not only inspire fear, but also command respect. Their presence is a reminder of the ocean's incredible ability to evolve and adapt, even if they don't reach the legendary proportions of Megalodon. Pop culture and legends play a huge role in shaping our ideas about these ancient creatures. Movies and books have turned Megalodon into a living monster, a symbol of untamed primal power. While these stories are thrilling, they often blur the line between fact and fiction. Scientific research, on the other hand, grounds us in reality, showing us that while the idea of a living Megalodon is fascinating, it remains just that, a fascinating idea, not supported by current evidence. Even if Megalodon isn't lurking in today's oceans, its story is far from over. Studying this ancient predator teaches us valuable lessons about evolution, climate change, and marine ecosystems. The rise and fall of such a colossal creature remind us how environmental shifts can shape life on Earth. By learning from Megalodon, we can better understand our current ocean giants and work to protect them for the future. So, could a real-life Megalodon exist today? Based on all the evidence we have, the answer is a resounding no. Modern oceans, with their current ecosystems and food chains, simply don't support a predator of that scale. But the legend of Megalodon continues to capture our imagination, serving as a bridge between the ancient past and our modern world. Now that you've considered if Megalodon still exists, watch our video, Megalodon versus Livyatan, to imagine how powerful it really was. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the mystery of Megalodon. What do you think? Could there be any remnants of these ancient giants hiding in the depths, or are they destined to remain a legend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next adventure into the unknown. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.